Ako na! Crush ko si Jonathan Boy! Ay, kasi mo, ipapakita ako sa'yo Feeling ko good shot ka dito Di ba? Good shot ka dito.
I can't really say shit, pero like, hindi ko nga siya type.
No bro. Just try it once. But it's just the one.
Pero kung like, may gagawin kami.
No strings attached.
Yeah.
No.
I think I know you.
Hello?
Alam mo, sabi na nila na you wanna do something.
Wala akong sinabi. Hanggang crush lang kita.
Bolero.
Hanggang crush nga lang kita. Ano ba?
Alam mo kasi, I'm gonna be honest, wala ngayong balak to do any like serious thing.
Anong gusto mo? Habol mo katawan ko, ganun.
Well, alam mo naman, it's a win-win, so why deny?
Ano naman? Ano namang mapapala ko, alam mong gusto kita?
You know, I know, like, pero like, I just wanna fuck, so what's the harm of that? You just have to accept my offer.
Nakakadiri ka kaibigan.
Okay, sige ha. Wait lang, breathe ka muna. It's okay, calm down. You deserve dignity and respect and safety, and you have to remember that hindi ka mag-iisa. You have strong legal protections, and what your friend did to you, that's a clear violation of your rights under the law. Because we have this thing called the Bill of Rights. Under Article 3, Section 3 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, this literally says kasi na, and I quote, the privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable, except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order requires otherwise. Ibig sabihin na to is that all your private communications, your messages, your photos, your chats, lahat yan protected. Walang kahit sino man ang may karapatan i-access, gamitin, galawin, or i-share ang mga yon without your consent. So, sige, sure, you have sent him intimate or suggestive photos voluntarily, nasa yun na yun, and that's okay. That is not illegal. Pero, the moment na he used your private photos to generate AI nudes or deepfakes, automatic violation na yun of your constitutional right to privacy. Consent to send a picture is not consent to edit it, to manipulate it, or worse, weaponize it. Hindi niya pwedeng gamitin ang image mo to create explicit content na never mo naman pinayagan. That is only called abusive. It's illegal and sobrang disrespectful niya sa dignity mo. The Constitution exists para maiwasan exactly this kind of exploitation. Walang pwedeng basta-basta kumuha ng private communication mo, so your private chats, your private photos, and use it for something harmful, for something degrading, unless may malinaw, may legal at court-ordered reason. This issue is very relevant today kasi in 2021